In today's video, I'll show you how you can create this thumbnail free of cost with very less effort and almost within no time. So before you start, make sure you're checking all the links which are given in the description. I have shared all the resources which I'm going to use for today's video, and I'm sure this will be of great help to you. So do check out those links. Once you click on the link, you come to this website Canva, and here either you can go and create a design if you know the exact dimension. If not, you come to this search and type YouTube thumbnail. Once you type YouTube thumbnail, you see here, this is the dimension 1280 by 720 pixel. Select this. Once you select, you come to this page, and here we have options with free template. But for this video, we will go with a blank YouTube thumbnail. We'll be building it from scratch. Once you click here, this is the template. Here is where we will start working on building the thumbnail. First is to fill the background. If you have your own image, bring it here. If not, you can come to this website pixabay.com. The link will be there in the description, and you can choose the image what you want. For example, I'm typing influencer, and once I select influencer, I'm shown the image. So the first one you see here, these are sponsored image. These are paid ones. We don't want this. We want to go with a free image. So we will change the orientation to horizontal, and then we will come down to see any image what we want. For example, this image we like, we'll download this, and before downloading, you see here free for use under Pixabay content license. So once we click here, this use of content for free, use content without having to attribute the author, although giving credit is always appreciated by our community. Modify or adapt content into new work. So you can go and modify this content. What you cannot do is you cannot sell or distribute content either in digital or physical form on a standalone basis. So you can go and read this. You can well use this for your YouTube thumbnail. Download this image. Once downloaded, come to this website remove.bg, and here we will remove the background. You see, now the background will be removed. Download this. Now come to this uploads, and you will upload the Pixabay downloaded image and the one which we removed the background. So once you click here, upload, click upload file, and bring both files here. You see, now both files are here, the one with the background removed and the one with the back. So once we select this and adjust, bring the other one again and superimpose this exactly to the same size. So now we have created a layer. If you come here and you see here, show layer, we have created a layer. Okay, so this is the first part. Now what we will do is come to elements. Here you have shapes. Select this and adjust this shape here like this. Change the background to white. Then select this. We will change the color little later. First bring this here, and then on this we will impose right tick. You see here, we'll bring this tick, resize this smaller, change the color for this too. Now we have this part ready. For the image to be inserted, select this either from here, or when you go see all, you see here frames. From here, choose this and resize this. Okay, then bring your image here. For this video, I'm using the same image, but you can bring any image. Once I click here, you see, just reduce this, show the face part, and then just drag and drop, and you see, now you have this. Then come to text, heading, type the name, for example, Sophia James. Then we bring this here and resize this. Then follows the text here. So you can either copy this and bring a code, write your code, and then adjust this text. You drag this and the size increases. You see here. So you may adjust the way you want. Now to change this color, if you know the color code, you can just go in here and type it 2097E9. This is the color, and then bring the same color to this too. Now you see one part is done. All you have to now do is change the layer, and for that show layer, and now you bring this one above this. So you see your thumbnail is ready. You can do minor adjustment here and there to make it even better, but this is how the thumbnail is made. If you want a variation, say you want to change the background color, before you do any changes, try to duplicate the page, come to the layer part, remove this layer, and now you have a blank template. Once you click here, you can change color whichever you want. You see here, you have this color option. You can keep changing for your desired color. So you can change the color, whichever color you want. So making a thumbnail is as simple as this. I've shared all links to the resources in the description. Make sure you're going and checking the link and going to the right website. And in case you have any question, you can use the comment section, or you can also write to me. If you need any other video like this, I'll be happy to show the process to you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and do subscribe. I have made videos on website, the newer technology including AI, the learnings, YouTube related videos, and also if you're thinking about starting a business in Canada or US, I have made videos which will be of use to you. So do check out those videos. Thanks for watching.